Hello guys, welcome to Information Star. The history of paper production. The history of the emergence of paper is a story of evolution over thousands of years. Paper originated in China during the Han Dynasty as a significant invention. The initial product was called tissue and was made from the fibers of various trees. In China, people used paper for writing, painting, and packaging. Subsequently, paper-making technology spread to the other parts of the world. During the Middle Age, Islamic societies promoted the use of paper as a writing tool. In Europe, paper production continued with basic methods in the medieval period and advanced with various technologies. The invention of the paper-making machine by John Harrington in the 19th century accelerated the paper production process and reduced its cost. Nowadays, paper serves as a global tool in various fields such as writing, printing, packaging, arts, and crafts. The extensive history of paper reflects its significance and widespread use in different cultures and civilizations. Thank you for watching our video. If the content was useful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.